In this video, I'll show you how to console log all the odd numbers in a given range. This is a very quick video, so there's not really too much code here. So let's say for let equals I is less than 10, I plus plus, and inside of here I'll say I modulus of 2 is equal to 0, and then I'll use a ternary operator. That's true, I'll just have an empty string, and if it's false, I'll do console.log of I. And here I'm having an error because I made a typo, so let I equals 0. And I'm quickly getting the odd numbers here, regardless of the range. So if I say, for example, let I equals 5 and I is less than 25, I'm getting the output, as you can see right here using the Quokka extension for VS Code.